What if I told you that some of the best dropshipping opportunities right now aren't in the United States, they are actually in Europe? And the problem is that most sellers research the same products in the same markets using the same methods, and because of that, they completely miss products that are generating hundreds of sales every month in countries like Germany or United Kingdom or France and many others, you name it. So in this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods that I personally use to find winning dropshipping products in Europe, validate their demand using real sales data, and check if they can be sourced with strong profit margins. All right, so if you're looking for less saturated opportunities and you want to discover products that most sellers aren't even paying attention to, let's get started. Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, why is conducting product research specifically for trendy products in Europe such a strategic move? Well, and the answer is quite simple. Look, products that are trending in the United States aren't always the same products that are trending in Europe, okay? That's the reality. Different countries have different buying habits, they have different interests, they have different seasons, and sometimes different, completely different trends. So if you are only researching products that are popular in the US, you could be missing huge opportunities in European markets, okay? And with that mindset, I developed two different methods that you can use to uncover these opportunities. And because sometimes all it takes is one winning product to completely change the direction of your store. So, let's just start with the first method. And for this one, we are going to use the Product Explorer tool inside ZIK Analytics. And this is what I'm going to do right here. Okay, so the idea right now is to use the right filters to uncover products that are currently trending in the European market. And honestly, it's so simple. All you need to do is set the countries of the stores to European markets that you want to target. For example, I can select Germany, I can select the UK and so on. And then for currencies, I will choose the currency that match those markets. So in this case, Euro and British Pound, okay? And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, under store type, I'm going to select dropshipping and others like that. All right. All that's left to do is to click here, search like that. Okay. So after reviewing some of these results, I can already tell you something very interesting. All right. A lot of these products are products that I'm seeing for the first time. Okay. And that's exactly what I like to see. Okay, because when you're researching the US market, you tend to see the same products over and over again, you know what I mean? But when you switch to Europe, your research to Europe, you start discovering completely different opportunities. Look, for example, let's look at this product here called Smoke Gun. And at first glance, it looks like, a compact device designed to eliminate smoke while cooking. And I can see that it's being sold in a German store. And more importantly, look at that. I can see that it generated 417 sales in the past 30 days. Now, that's exactly what I'm looking for. It's a product that I'm not familiar with, a product I had no idea was selling well, and a product with strong sales behind it. All right, strong sales data just to validate it. And look, let's just open here the store that's selling it, and we see this store right here. Okay, so I immediately see why this product is converting. The gifts do an excellent job showcasing just showing exactly how the product works and how it removes smoke and so on. And that's very important because this is one of those products that needs a visual demonstration. And now the thing is, when I add the product to the cart, I can see that the shipping costs €3.99, all right, which means that the total selling price is around €43.94. So let's just now move to the final part of this method, which is, can we source this product profitability? Can we make some money? All right. And for that, I'm just going to go back here to ZIK. All right. I'm going to click here on the item finder like this. And here we go. Look at that. I can already see several exact matches, my friend. Look at that. Okay. So let's open this one right here. and it's perfect. All right, look, it's the exact same product, and look at the sourcing price, only 28 euros and 39 cents. Now, another thing that I always like to check is the supplier reviews, especially when it comes down to electronics, and in this case right here, the reviews actually look pretty solid, all right, which is a great sign. So let's just summarize, what we found here, okay? We discovered a product that's currently trending in Europe and specifically performing very well in Germany, okay? We validated that demand with real sales data, and we also found a reliable supplier that allows us to source the exact same product, okay? Now, let's talk about profit here. So the store sells the product for around 43 euros and 94 cents, while the sourcing cost is 28 euros and 39 cents. That leaves around 14 euros profit per sale after Shopify fees. And the crazy part is that this product generated 417 sales in the past month. Man, that is good, all right? So this store, okay, could have generated around 5,838 euros in profit before ads and operational expenses. Like, look, my friend, now you can probably see why conducting product research specifically for European markets is such a strategic move, all right? The opportunities are different. The competition is often lower, and sometimes the products that are winning in Europe aren't even on the radar of sellers focusing only in the US market. All right. So what do you think about this first method? I would love to hear your thoughts. So let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying the video so far, I would really appreciate it if you just take 2 seconds to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us just to create more content like this one and reach more sellers looking to grow their business. All right. And again, if you want access to all these same product research tools that I'm using here, all these validation tools that I'm using throughout this video, you can try ZIK Analytics today. All right, give it a try. Let me know what you think, and don't go anywhere, because now I want to show you another method that you can use to find trending products for the European market, okay? And for this method, we're actually going to use the TikTok Creative Center. The great thing about this tool is that it's completely free. All you need is to have a TikTok account. Okay, and once inside TikTok Creative Center, you go here to Inspiration, and then you click here Top Ads. Okay, all right. So, and the idea here is very simple. Okay, we're going to look for products that are currently being heavily advertised in the European market. So first, I'm going to set the regions to Germany. Okay, and then the United Kingdom. Okay, so I'm going to choose to view the top ads from the past 30 days. And then in the search bar, I'm going to type here, TikTok made me buy it, okay? Because this is a great way just to surface products that are currently being promoted and generating engagement. All right, so I can already see several products here that are being advertised in the for the European audience. So let's just take a look at this one right here, this Astronet Galaxy projector. And at first glance, it looks like this product could be easy to market. It has strong visual appeal, a clear wow factor, and it's already being actively promoted in Europe. Now comes what I call the validation phase. And because, the thing is, just because a product gets engagement on TikTok doesn't automatically mean that's generating sales. So what we want to know is whether this product is also selling successfully in the actual European dropshipping stores. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back here to the Product Explorer inside ZIK Analytics, okay? And then I'm going to paste the product name, which is this Astronet Galaxy projector, and hit search. And look at that. Now the results are coming in. Okay, and from a quick overview, I can see I can already see that the demand looks very strong, okay? The sales numbers across multiple stores are quite impressive. And now here's an important step, this is very important. I want to specifically look for stores with European flags to confirm that the product is performing well inside the European markets. And from what I can see right here, I can see that the store generating the highest sales for this product is a British store. The product sold 229 times in the past 30 days. So let's open that one, okay? All right, so the store is called novalights.co.uk. It's a cool name. And they're selling the product for around 32 pounds, okay? And let's just see if we can source this with some nice profit, okay? And for that, you know, I'll just go back here to ZIK, and then I click here in the item finder like this, okay? And immediately I can see like several exact matches. So let's just open this one right here. And look at that. This is the exact same product. You see that? And the sourcing price without any special discounts is only 11 pounds and 80 cents. Do you see that? If you do the math, all right, the same formula as before, the store sells for, 32 pounds. The sourcing cost is 11 pounds and 80 cents. So after Shopify fees, that leaves around 19 pounds profit per sale. That's a very healthy profit margin. And then you combine that with 229 sales in the past 30 days, you can start to understand why this product is performing so well. So look, this is exactly how I like to use the TikTok Creative Center, okay? First, I just find products that are actively being marketed to European audiences, and then I just validate them using sales data. And then I finally, like the last step, basically, I just check whether the product can be sourced, with a nice profit. And this extra validation layer helps remove guesswork. It just gives you much more confidence before adding a product to your store, okay? So as you can see, finding winning dropshipping products in Europe doesn't have to be complicated. Like just using the two methods we covered today, you can uncover products that are actively selling in European stores, validate demand using real sales data, and just make sure that the profit margins make sense before adding them to your own store. And if you found this video helpful some way, somehow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping strategies and more product research methods and e-commerce tutorials and many things that we do here, okay? And if you want to use the same tools that I'm using in this video, that I used in this video, and I showed you everything like to validate demand, analyze stores, uncover profitable opportunities faster, come on, you can start using ZIK Analytics today. Thanks so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.